What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you all a spontaneous arbitrage opportunity that involves cross exchange. All right, and we're going to be using coinmarketcap as a case study in spotting these arbitrage opportunities in order to make daily profits. All right, so I'll be exposing to you all the top secrets to know before engaging on cross exchange arbitrage, and also showing you a live demo profit, guys. Okay, so make sure you stick with Don all through this video. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is N with Don TV, and what we'll do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever N with Don TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on coinmarketcap right now. So guys, before you can actually start using coinmarketcap, you need to make sure you have actually downloaded the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. All right, so how can you do that? You can just simply go over to your Google Play Store, your Apple Store, and when you're actually there, you just simply find the coinmarketcap app. Okay, so when you are done finding the coinmarketcap app, probably by using the search bar on either your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, the next step would be downloading the app, guys. Okay, so when you are done downloading, you just simply sign up and it's going to bring you over to this page you see right here. Okay, so that is basically how you can get the app. So when you are here, guys, the next step would be making sure you're actually on the market section over here to actually, scroll over and search for coins. Okay, you can just simply search on any coin right here, guys. Okay, you can actually search on a coin detail by just simply hitting on it. So let's say you actually want to search on Solana, you just simply hit on Solana right here. Okay, and then you simply hit on market, guys. Okay, so right here on the market section, you get to see the pair price on various exchanges, and as well you also get to see the liquidity and also the volume. Okay, but guys, for the purpose of this video, I won't be using Solana as my trading pair. Okay, I'm going to be using the TWT token as my trading pair. So I'm going to hit on this place up here that actually says search. I'm going to hit on the search bar right here and just simply search for TWT, guys. All right, so this is it right here. It's actually called the Trust Wallet token. So I'm going to hit on it. Okay, I'm going to hit on market right here. Here we are, guys. So as you can see up here, TWT/USDT is being sold for 0.7120 on Binance, and then on bybit is sold for 0.7129. Okay, so with looking at this right now, you would consider that there's actually an opportunity for you right here on this crypto pair, guys. All right, so yes, there is right now. But then again, guys, you need to know that while engaging in a percentage profit as slim as this, you need to have a very good capital for trading. Okay, and the capital should be around 500 USDT to 1000 USDT. Okay, because you're going to get good profit, let's say 2 USDT per trade or 1 USDT per trade after when the fees has been subtracted from your profit and all of that. Okay, so that is it. So now, guys, the second factor to consider before you actually go into trade is the liquidity right here, and as well the 24 hours volume. Okay, so these are the basic factors you need to consider. So right now, let's say you actually have $1 million and you actually want to enter this trade right now. As you can see right here on the 24 hours volume on TWT/USDT pair, you would see that the current volume right now is $268,561.76. Okay, and then the liquidity right here is 581. Okay, so this actually means that 581 persons are currently trading on a volume of $268,561.76 on Binance right now, trading TWT/USDT. Okay, so what happens when you trade with $1 million? So when you actually trade with $1 million, this trade is not going to execute, guys. Okay, the reason is because the volume is low and your capital is actually high. So you actually need to wait until the volume increases above your capital of $1 million before you can actually execute a trade, guys. Okay, but with this right now, you can't execute a trade. Your money is going to be held there and you won't be able to, make profit or even sell out. Okay, so that is basically what you need to consider, guys. Okay, but if you actually have $1,000 right now, $5,000, and you actually want to go into this trade, you're going to make profit right now because your capital is low and the volume is actually higher than your capital. Okay, so that is basically what you need to consider, guys. All right, so now that you know the factors to consider, I'm going to be buying TWT token on Binance at a low price, and then I go over to bybit and sell at a high price. Okay, mind you, guys, your trade needs to be fast. Okay, you need to be fast on your trade because the prices are volatile, they are not static. All right, so I'm going to go over there right now and just quickly see if we're going to be on profit or a loss, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on Binance right now. So as you can see down below here that says trade, I'm going to hit on trade right now, And up here that says BTC/USDT, I'm going to hit on it and just search for TWT/USDT. Okay, I'm going to do that right now. TWT/USDT. So that is it. I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, so as you can see, currently it's around 0.7114 on Binance. All right, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says total USDT. I'm going to type in 1,000. Okay, so let's say I'm using $1,000 to actually purchase this TWT token right now. I'm going to be getting the sum of 1,405 TWT token, as you can see right here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this right now, guys. All right, so I'm going to head over to my bybit right now to try to sell this TWT token right here to see if we're going to be on profit or not. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay guys, so here we are on my bybit account right now. So while you are here, just simply hit on trade right here, and then up here that says near/USDT, you just simply hit on it and also find TWT/USDT. Okay, so this is it right here. So I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says sell. Okay, then over here that says quantity TWT, I'm going to input the amount we actually bought on Binance. I'm going to paste it right here. So as you can see, guys, our current profit is going to be 1,002.1 USDT. Okay, so this actually means that we just made a profit of 2.18 USDT right now. Okay, and mind you, guys, you can actually make more than this. Okay, so this is actually just a little amount we just made right now, but there's actually a potential to make more. All right, so I'm going to go over to Binance right now. So we'll actually check the fee we use in sending from Binance down here to Bybit, to actually subtract it from our profit, and then we actually know how much we made as profit. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay guys, so here we are on Binance right now. So if you are getting value from this video so far, don't hesitate to smash on that subscribe button right now for more amazing videos like this, and as well turn on the bell icon so whenever I actually upload wonderful videos like this one you are watching right now, you would always get notified. Okay, and as well, make sure you share this video to family and friends, and also like this video so YouTube can actually spread this video to more persons so they actually benefit just like you are benefiting right now, guys. Okay, so thank you all as you do, and God bless you guys. All right, so how do you know the fee? So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says assets. Then over here that says send, I'm going to hit on send, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says on chain withdraw. All right, then over here I'm going to hit on the search bar and just search for TWT, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on it right here. Boom. So as you can see right here, guys, TWT is under the BNB Smart Chain network, which is the BEP20. Okay, so how do you know the fee? So I'm going to hit on BNB Smart Chain right here. Okay, so as you can see right here, guys, the network fee is currently 0.019 TWT. Okay, so this is basically the network fee, guys, and in USDT is actually 0.01354 USDT. All right, so right now I'm going to subtract 0.01354 USDT as a network fee from 2.18 USDT we actually made in profit. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go over to my calculator right now. So let's go. Here we are, guys. So I'm going to subtract our profit from the fee. Okay, so our profit was 2.18 minus 0.01354. So this gives us 2.16646. Okay, so guys, mind you, we can actually do this multiple times and get more profit for ourselves. So let's say we actually do this, let's say 50 times in a day. So that gives us 108.3 USDT. Okay, and let's say we actually do this for 100 times. This gives us 216.6 USDT. So this is basically how you can actually make profit on CoinMarketCap just by spotting arbitrage opportunities on different tokens, guys. Okay, so mind you, guys, we currently have a crypto arbitrage group where we give you high percentage signals on a daily basis, of which you can actually use in making massive profit for yourself. Okay, so if you actually want to join that group, go over to my Telegram channel right now and join the channel. So when you join the channel, you just simply contact me telling me your purpose, guys. All right, and mind you, the arbitrage group is not a free group, it's actually a paid group. All right, so make sure you have that in mind, guys. All right, so for those persons that may be saying I don't have $1,000 capital for trading, guys, you can use as low as 50 USDT and make some good profit for yourself using my signals. Okay, so that is basically what you need to know, guys. Okay, so I think I'm going to be rounding up this video right here right now. So guys, if you found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now, and if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button for more amazing videos like this, and as well turn on the bell icon to always get notified each time and we don't TV uploads new videos like this, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.